the 2008 Audi A4. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include power windows, leather upholstery, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.